Hey everyone, so today we're gonna make squash with salted egg, a popular soup in the Chinese culture. So we're gonna boil some water in the pot, depending on how many people you have. I'm boiling around half a pot. So, and we have the squash here, so we're gonna chop this up and we're gonna put it in the plate, boil it, and let's see how it goes. All right, so here we have some dry scallops that you can buy at any Asian supermarket. We're gonna soak this in water for a little bit before you add it into the soup. So this will be an addition to the salted egg. All right, so our water is boiling now, so we can start adding the squash in. And we'll let this boil maybe for around 5 to 8 minutes or until it's tender. So okay, so we're now going to add the salted egg. And the way we made this egg is that we put it in salt water and let it stay in salt water for almost a month. So the inside, you'll see when it's all salted up, when you crack it open, the yolk is actually like a solid piece. And the rest of the egg whites are salted. So when we crack this in, it adds flavor to the soup. And now we'll add the dry scallops and let it boil a bit. And it looks about done. So there you have it. Squash with salted egg with scallops soup base that is very nutritious and tastes great. Alright, thank you for watching. So please do like, subscribe, and please give me a comment below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.